quadratic equations. So any equation with one unknown and the highest power of unknown as 2 is known as quadratic equation. So there are different forms of quadratic equation. The first one is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. The second is x minus alpha and multiplied by x minus beta equal to 0, where alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. And third is x square minus sum of roots multiplied by x plus product of roots is equal to 0. The roots of the quadratic equations are given by alpha beta is minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And the relation between roots and coefficient is the sum of roots is equal to alpha plus beta, which is minus b by a. Product of roots is alpha into beta, which is c by a, and the difference of root, which is mod of alpha minus beta, that is equal to under root of d by a. B by a, c by a, d by a, where d is the discriminant of the quadratic equation, and the value of d is b square minus 4ac. So the roots of quadratic equations are real and equal if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, that is discriminant is 0. Real and unequal if the discriminant is positive, and imaginary if the discriminant is negative. So let's solve some good questions on quadratic equation. So here's our first question. Find the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6. So we are going to solve this with splitting the middle term. I want the sum as minus 5 but the product as 6. So I'm going to use minus 2 and minus 3, because minus 2 plus minus 3 is minus 5, whereas minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 is 6. So I'm going to split this as x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now I can directly write the root as x is equal to 2 and x equal to 3. How can I write? I'm just looking at the coefficient of x as minus 2. So simply multiply it with a minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1 is a 2. Minus 3 into minus 1 is a 3. So x equal to 2 and x equal to 3 are the roots of the equation. Now what does it mean by the root? If I put x equal to 2 in this equation, it has to be satisfied. So let's check. 4 minus 10 plus 6 is equal to 0. Yes. And 9 minus 15 plus 6 is equal to 0. Yes. So the roots are 2 and 3. Now second question, x square plus x minus 6. I want sum as plus 1 and product as minus 6. Because here it's a 1, I'm going to take the larger number as positive, whereas the smaller number as negative. So x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. So I'm going to directly write x equal to, take the minus coefficient, minus 3 and it's a minus 2. So x will be a 2. Third question, x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now it's a minus 6 over here. So x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0, and the roots are x equal to 3 and x equal to minus 2. 3x square minus 4x minus 7 equal to 0. So the product is minus 21, which comes from minus 7 multiplied by 3, and sum I want as minus 4. So 3x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 7 is equal to 0, because minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4 and minus 7 as it is. So I'm going to take a x common. So we'll have a 3x minus 7, and from here I can take a plus 1 common. So it's a 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 7 or x plus 1 is 0, which will give me x equal to 7 by 3, or x is equal to minus 1. So the roots are 7 by 3 and minus 1. Although you can solve directly from over here as well. So the roots are minus 7 multiplied with the minus 1. So 7 divided by coefficient of x square, which is a 3. And here it's a plus 3. So plus 3 multiplied by minus 1 is a minus 3 divided by 3. That's a minus 1. So 7 by 3 and minus 1. Why I'm not dividing over here? Because the coefficient of x square is 1 in this case. It's a 3 in question number 4. So the roots are 7 by 3 and minus 1. 25x square plus 2 is 15x. Now I need to rearrange this equation. So 25x square minus 15x plus 2 is equal to 0. So I want product as 50, sum as minus 15. So 25x square minus 10x minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. So the roots are minus 10 into minus 1 is a 10 by 25 and 5 by 25, which is nothing but 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. Sixth question, x square plus 5x plus 24 is equal to 0. Now 8 into minus 3 is a 24. So I am not able to split the middle term. So I am going to use the formula which says the roots are minus b, that's a minus 5, plus minus under root of b square, that's a 5 square, which is 25, minus 4, a is 1 and c is 24 divided by 2 into 1. So it's a minus 5 plus minus under root of 25 minus 96, that's a minus 71 divided by 2. So the roots are minus 5 plus under root of minus 71 by 2 or minus 5 minus under root of minus 71 divided by 2. So whenever I am not able to split the middle term, I am going to use the formula of the roots of the equation, which is nothing but alpha beta is minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So let's solve the final example. 4p minus 3 into 2 raised to p plus 3 plus 128 is equal to 0. Now I can see there is no x. So I am going to put the value of 2 raised to p as x. So this equation is nothing but x square minus 3 into x into 8 plus 128 is equal to 0, or x square minus 24x plus 128 is equal to 0. So splitting the middle term, x square minus 16x minus 8x plus 128 is equal to 0. So from here x will be 16 or x will be 8. That's a 2 raised to p is 16 or 2 raised to p as 8. So p has to be either 4 or p has to be